We find codes that have shared meanings, which will contribute to one. Another theme that is emerging here is social challenges, which contribute social challenges, or I can call this social issues. They might not be challenges, but they can be issues. And also this theme, we can rename it to financial issues, okay, which contribute to stress among pregnant mothers in low-income urban areas. Now, I have developed social issues as a theme also. So, poor relationship with neighbors, that's a social issue, okay? Conflict with spouse, that's a social issue. So, we can aggregate again, we right-click. We have two codes that contribute to the theme of social issues. These are codes, this is a theme. Now, let's develop another theme. We right click on this area, we click on the create new code, and let's call this health issue. That was again another prevalent theme that came out. So illnesses during pregnancy, okay? So we drag and drop that code there. When we right click on the overall theme and we aggregate, so illnesses during pregnancy is the health issue that contributes to stress among pregnant mothers in urban low-income areas. We have job-related obligations. This one I won't classify it under any of my themes for now, and actually I can decide to delete that code for now. So these are the three themes that emerged. Remember, the first thing we did was come up with codes, and then we look for shared meaning and patterns between the codes to develop themes. So the three themes are financial issues, health issues, and social issues. So financial issues, health issues, and social issues contribute to stress among pregnant mothers in low-income areas. So those are the three issues that contribute to stress. Again, we press Ctrl S to save this. Always remember to keep saving your project so that you don't lose your progress. So health issues, social issues, and financial issues. Now, that's how you develop themes in NVivo. Remember